Good morning, my lovelies. I am making myself a little garbanzo bean cake. So this is the last finishing touches. This is one of my first videos that I put out roughly about almost a little under a year ago on how to toast coconuts. So I am making a ta-da! So this is my garbanzo bean cake that kind of came out pretty bad because I forgot to put oil on the bottom of the pan. So when I flipped it, it kind of fell apart, but it's still good. So what I did is I bought some sugar-free frosting, and but it's gonna be right here in a second, trust me. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna just set this. I have no space, so I'm temporarily doing some stuff from my own kitchen, and as I talk into the phone, I'm trying to find a place to put this. So one of the disadvantages of not having a professional kitchen. So we're gonna just put that right there. All right, so, hey, just to let you know, we're gonna start shooting some other videos in about a week or so. So we're almost done here. So yeah, I know it looks a little funky, but it's gonna taste fabulous. So I'm gonna try to, these are some dark chocolates. Hold on a second here. These are some dark chocolate morsels or chips. 72% cacao. So what I'm going to do right here is I'm going to kind of just spread them around a little bit. That's good. Okay, so folks, I think what I want to start doing with my show going forward is just kind of do these really improv, kind of videos that, there we go. Okay, so, God, that looks a lot better, doesn't it? So like I was saying earlier, I'm kind of doing these little videos that are, these kind of improv videos where I just am cooking something and I want to share it with you people. So all of you are getting an idea of what my kitchen is like. As you can see, I have no space, but this is what I did. Let me just kind of, now this once again is the garbanzo bean cake that I did a video about 7 months ago. I was telling everyone earlier that it kind of fell apart a little bit because I forgot to put grease on the bottom of the pan, so when I flipped it, it kind of fell apart. But as you can see, with a little bit of repair, it doesn't look half bad, huh? So let's add a few more. Oh, okay. There we go. Oh, if I could only get a new kitchen. But fortunately, I have friends who have great kitchens that are gonna let me do my thing. So there you go. My famous, well, not my famous, but a famous garbanzo chocolate cake. It's more like a torte with some toasted coconuts and some chocolate chips or dark chocolate chips, 72%. And that, my friends, is a wrap.